Hello, my friend. How's it going? This is Tony, aka Cryptony, and in this video, we are going to discuss the blood in the streets, the crypto blood that's in the streets that happened as of a couple days ago. Today, as I'm recording this, it is Thursday, January 18th, 2018. And what I'd like to do is just simply go over a few things that have been happening over the course of the past few days. We had on Tuesday, it was Bloody Tuesday, the 16th of January, when essentially two terrible things happened in the crypto community world. Basically, Bitcoin and most of the cryptocurrencies took a crash, a flash crash, if you will, on the news, as I understand it, on the news of what happened in the Asian markets, specifically with regards to China and South Korea. News happens, there are rumors, and basically markets react very quickly and very with a lot of volatility. So as you can see, what we have here is I'm on GDAX, which is an exchange where you can buy, sell, and trade the four cryptocurrencies of Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Okay, so these are four of the most popular cryptocurrencies that are out there, and GDAX is owned by Coinbase. If you have a Coinbase account and you verify your account, you can actually do free trades where you can pay no fees and get your cryptocurrency instantly by utilizing GDAX. It's very good, but we don't have time to get into that right now. Another thing I'd like to discuss in this video is what the heck is going on and what has happened with BitConnect and that high yield interest platform. It's pretty much done, and we're just going to go over a few things here and what you can do about it if you were affected like I was, like a lot of people were. Okay, so please pay attention, hang in, and hope you get a lot out of this video. Now, this is the second time I had to record this video. I had issues with the first one. It just didn't render properly, so had to do it all over again. So hang on with me as we get going here. Now, if we look, this is basically on let's see, just a little while ago here, the price of Bitcoin has been going up and down. This is an hour. Each one of these are called candles, by the way. This is an hour's time, and here we are at 9 p.m. And if we go back a little ways, we will see that Bitcoin crashed all the way down to $9,300 and some change, and it just got ugly. People were panicking, and when people panic, they do irrational things. They sell off things because they think that the sky is falling, and this is what happens. Well, true investors know the four-word axiom of buy low, sell high, and smart investors were using this as a time to start to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies because it pretty much always comes back up. And then it came all the way up to as high as, whoa, look over here, as high as 12,000 per Bitcoin, and then it bounces back a little bit, establishes new levels of resistance. But the overall trend is going back up. Okay, so at the moment, as I'm recording this, we are looking at about 11,500. It's going to bounce around up and down, and I believe and hope that it continues to go up, but we will see. In the meantime, it's still a decent time to buy if you have some change and would like to get some more Bitcoin added to your holding portfolio. Okay, so that's what's going on here. Now, if we look at this is a great website to use. It's called coinmarketcap.com, and this pretty much lists all of the cryptocurrencies here. I mean, there's like, I don't know, over 1,000 of them at this point, and it lists them in order. It also lists the market cap, which is all the cryptocurrencies that are out there in circulation in the market, and there's 576 billion at this point. That is down a little bit from what it was, but regardless, we still, and it's going back up. Bitcoin is still the number one, and it will be for some time. Cryptocurrency here has a market cap of 194 billion, 589 million, etc., etc., and as you see on here, 11,574. Anyway, the next runner-up is Ethereum, still a strong bet, as over 1,000. That had gone up to 1,400, and that has gone up quickly. These are the charts that you can track on these. But what we're here to talk about is scrolling all the way down to number 95 is BitConnect. Okay, look at where the price is right now, 31.65. If you see this chart, we will see that it's risen and fallen. How the mighty have fallen here. So basically, we are looking. Let me just shorten this view here. If we look at this, it had gone up to a high. It had gotten, I think it was higher than that actually. I think it had gone up to like $470 per BitConnect coin. On this chart, it's showing 450, but I'm pretty sure it was higher than that. Anyways, that was a high dollar amount. Then it starts to trickle down. Look around 7th, 9th January. And then what happened was this past weekend, which was over the course of from like Friday the 12th through Sunday the 14th of January, the site was pretty much down because of what's called a massive DDoS attacks, DDoS, which means denied distribution of service. And essentially how it works is like if you see like a door and people are going in and out of that door, and then all of a sudden if all thousands and thousands of people, a lot more than are intended to go through the space of that door, try to go in and out, it's going to cause a logjam. It's like traffic. It's it's bandwidth. Essentially, BitConnect was attacked by a lot of some hackers with some evil intentions, and they basically flooded the site with too much traffic, and it caused the regular users to not be able to get in. So this was a deliberate attack. In addition to that, there were some other things that happened, which I'm about to get into, and which caused this value of this coin to massively plummet. Okay, so over here, it was at 400, it was trickling down, it was in the 300 range, then it started going to the 200s, and then all of a sudden, on this past Tuesday, a couple of days ago at this point, on Tuesday the 16th of January, basically BitConnect came out and made this announcement right here. When you logged into the platform, you were slapped with this. This is after the DDoS attacks had pretty much subsided. They said, changes coming for the BitConnect system. Halt of lending and exchange platform. And if you'll indulge me, I'll just go ahead and read this for you. This to inform all community members that we are closing the BitConnect lending and exchange platform. We're closing the lending operation immediately with the release of all outstanding loans. With the release of your entire active loan in the lending wallet, we are transferring all your lending wallet balance to your BitConnect wallet balance at the rate of $363.62 US dollars. This rate has been calculated based on the last 15 days averages of the closing price registered on coinmarketcap.com. You are free to withdraw your BitConnect coin currently in QT wallets that was used for staking as well. We are also closing BCC exchange platform in 5 days. In short, we are closing lending service and exchange service while BitConnect.co website will operate for wallet service, news and educational purposes.
I don't know that one.
Well, that's my Alexa over there, so I love it when Alexa chimes in without being invited. Anyway, the reason for halt of lending and exchange platform has many reasons as follows. The continuous bad press has made community members uneasy and created a lack of confidence in the platform. And essentially what that means is there's a lot of haters out there. People were very jealous and very upset about this, and they were questioning it and calling it illegal and all kinds of fun things. The site had grown in popularity and usage, and people were just blowing up and making a lot of money, and BitConnect was compensating people. But because of that, it got a lot of attention, and when people are making money outside of the regular norms of systems, it is opening things up to potential scrutiny by governmental regulations. Isn't that wonderful? Don't you just love when that happens, when you're making money and all of a sudden you get a cease and desist letter from the Texas State Securities Board? And then shortly after that, they got one from the North Carolina Secretary of State Securities Division. So obviously, these actions have become a hindrance for the legal continuation of the platform. Okay, wonderful. So they were thinking about fighting it, and then this happened. Outside forces performed these DDoS attacks on the platform several times, have made it clear that those attacks will continue. These interruptions in service have made the platform unstable and have created more panic inside the community. Closing lending and exchange platform doesn't mean we'll stop supporting BitConnect coin. Watch this. Okay, read this part right here. Closing the lending platform will allow BitConnect to be listed on outside exchanges, giving more options for trading. And that is good news, okay? Which we'll get into that in a minute. We will keep working to make BitConnect coin available to merchant websites, providing them API access to accept BitConnect coins on their platforms. BitConnect X ICO, ICO means initial coin offering, like a stock, whereas IPO, is still functional, and we are building an exchange platform on the BitConnect X website. With BitConnect X operating as an exchange platform, BitConnect coin, BCC, will be listed there. This is not the end of this community, but we are closing some of the services on the website platform, and we will continue offering other cryptocurrencies, other services in the future. Best regards, and they sign off. Okay, what all that means. A little bit of good news in the ray of in the cloud of darkness here. They have an ICO that they've recently launched, BitConnect X. Okay, so because of that, and because I don't know, maybe there is some good karma out there, they are doing what they can do to support people and to not just dump them all of a sudden and just let people go, as a lot of people were saying they're going to do. They could have just folded up the website and said, "Tough luck, suckers, peace." But they didn't. Instead, what they did was give us our money back by emptying out all the money that was in there and converting it to BitConnect coin. Yes, it is their own coin. It would have been wonderful if they had given us just straight Bitcoin back, or at the very least given us more BitConnect coin, because to value it at 363.62, when at the time that this went down, BitConnect was really worth a lot less than that. Okay, it was really worth 200 something when this went down. Okay, so as we see right here, but they took it over an average of 15 days. So as I've been telling you in the videos that I've shared about my particular situation, I've had over $10,000 invested in this platform. So I got 41.5 BitConnect coin back in my wallet when this went down. Other people who had like $100 or a few $100s or $1,000 or over that, you got the appropriate amount based on that exchange. Okay, which it could have been worse, of course, but it's not as good as it could be, of course. So what now? What do we do now? Okay, well, what happens is when you log into to BitConnect platform, of course, this is to stop the DDoS attacks allegedly, and you log in, and essentially you're going to get this little notification here that's going to pop up, and it will pop up here in a second again, and boom, there it is. So here's a little update. Okay, so go ahead and log in, and what you're going to see is up here. Now, if you, by the way, very important point here, if you just brought Bitcoin over and you have anything in this Bitcoin wallet and you don't have anything in the BitConnect wallet, great, awesome, you're in luck. What you want to do is go to the wallet and send that BitConnect over to your external Bitcoin wallet, okay? Whether it's on Coinbase or wherever you have your Bitcoin, okay? Again, difference between Bitcoin and BitConnect, okay? One is not the other. Just to let you know, BitConnect is not Bitcoin. BitConnect is a separate platform that it's a lending and exchange platform that you can send your Bitcoin over and use it to convert to this coin and then lend it out and get money. Well, get interest on that. It was, but not anymore, of course, because they're closing it up, unfortunately. So as you can see, my total investment was at this point, adding everything up, it was $14,000. And I had stopped reinvesting a few days ago because I was planning on doing a bigger amount. And I was getting, $100 to $200 of interest a day pretty much. And that's all done now. So anyways, if you log in and click on here, you'll be taken to this notification page right here, which says BitConnect update regarding the changes to lending and exchange platforms. And this is current as of today, actually as of the 17th of January. So what they're saying now is, dear community members, the current BCC price drop is the direct result of us releasing all of our members' coins at one time. So that's just common sense. Anytime you release if you flood the market with currency, what's going to happen to the value of that currency? It's massively devalued. That's what's called hyperinflation, and it's happened in many countries throughout the world in previous times. Okay, it's a potential to happen here at some point. Hopefully, just not in our lifetimes. But anyways, this is what happened with the BitConnect coin. All right, so what they're saying now is we will do our best to honor the value of BCC as close to what it has been holding during past several months. At this time, we are closing the lending platform only, so a little bit of a change here. The BCC exchange will work as usual from tomorrow, and the wallet service will remain operational to hold your BCC on the website. So that's a little bit different than what was happening here. They were talking about closing out the exchange in the previous update, but on the current update, they're saying that they had opened it back up again, which is good news. So you can buy and sell your BitConnect coin on BitConnect platform again, which is good. All right. So anyways, now they're saying for the next 10 days, we are allowing members outside the USA, okay? If you live in the United States, you cannot do this, all right? Because of our wonderful regulations. Don't get me started, please. To participate in the BitConnect X ICO, initial coin offering with BCC at $150. So they're doing this to support existing coin holders and give the BCC coins some initial stability after these recent events. We're launching a new superior system as an exchange that will support several cryptocurrencies as soon as possible, and BCC, of course, will be listed immediately. BitConnect coin are limited in supply to 28 million, and there are currently only 9.6 million in circulation. The scarcity of supply should create a market demand with help and support from the community once this new exchange begins operation. We still expect BitConnect coin to gain its value back, and you can hold your coins in the website wallet or transfer them to a QT wallet. We apologize for this inconvenience, and we are working to get things corrected for this community and platform. Now, what I've heard is they are indeed working to do right by people and to continue to support people and just keep their name in good standing as much as possible, despite the haters out there. So, what I've heard, I cannot substantiate this, but what I've heard, a little bit of the rumor is that they're going to work as hard as they can to get people who are recent investors and lenders on the platform within the past month or two. I've heard, which if you've been on my team, or that would include you. And myself, of course, and they're working hard to do what they can to buy the Bitcoin back at the 363 conversion, which would mean that you get every bit back. Again, I cannot say that with any certainty. I'm just only repeating what I've heard. Okay? So, what does this all mean? What does this all mean? What do we do from here? Where do we go from here at this point? Now, what you don't want to do, all right, is panic. Okay? When you panic, again, we make irrational, emotional decisions. All right? This is why little expressions like patience is a virtue and good things come to those who wait, why those simple old expressions exist, because this is what happened right here. The coins were dropped, boom, everyone, massive devaluation of the BitConnect coin currency. People started selling off. And what were they selling off for? Look at this. It was selling for 0.0219 or 0.0215, whatever, Bitcoin. And Bitcoin level was high then. It was, I don't know, 13, 14,000, somewhere in there, a few days ago. So if you take a calculator, let's just do some simple math here. Take a little calculator, and if you say the value of Bitcoin was 13,500, and then you multiply that by, where is it? Oh, it's right. I'm right in the way here. Multiply that. I don't know. Let's take this value here. No, let's go with this one. 0.0207. Okay. 0.0207. That gives you a value of one BitConnect coin of 279.45. All right. If we look at this, 0218, you could play with the numbers a little bit. But basically, what happened was it went down, Bitcoin crash, and BitConnect coin crash. Wonderful. So it went from being worth 0.01 or 02 all the way down to 0.002, which, if you're good with math, is 1/10 the value. Watch this. Let's say we have, 0.009. Look at that. All the way over here to the right. You see that as I slide this up and down? 0.007. Let's just go with 007. Ooh, 0.001. Good Lord, that is really bad. People are just in a massive sell-off frenzy to scrape pennies back. And very smart investors, what were they doing? Buying right here, because smart investors know that it's going to go back up, and then it comes back down, and then it's going to go back up most likely. So if we look at 0.002, let's just look at that. All right, if we take 0.002, and we multiply that by what the value of Bitcoin was at that time, I'm just going to say it was 10,000. You're looking at like 20, actually it was worth less than that. It was, look, the value of this was being sold for as little as $5 to $7 when it was as high as 400 something not long ago. $5, $7, $8 in there. Okay, it's since come up, and right now, let's see, one BitConnect coin is worth like 30 some dollars, I think, something like that. Where the heck do I find this information? Gosh, okay, yeah, here it is. Right now, one BitConnect coin is worth about $31.94. All right, and it had gotten up to $45, but again, what do we do at this point? We don't sell off. No. Because if you had $100, you might get like $5. I don't know, maybe less. Don't do that. All right. What you need to do is hold. When things crash down, you either buy or you hold, and then you wait for it to go back up. Simple as that. So what you can do is you can log into your BitConnect wallet. You know what I did? Let me share some with you. I had done a crazy thing. This crashed down. I didn't sell. But what I did was I actually went to my wallet here, and I moved when I heard that the exchange was shutting down. I went and I didn't sell. I sent my BitConnect coin. So I went down here and I went to send BitConnect coin, and I took all this amount that I had, and I sent it over to Coin Exchange. And coinexchange.io is a place where you can buy and sell a crap ton more of cryptocurrencies. And I received it into this wallet here, deposit BCC. I got this address. I moved it all over there, and I held it until I started to see what was going on. And they opened up the exchange, and I saw that it was okay, and I moved it back. And now it's in my wallet over here on BitConnect again. So if we take this value of 41.525580077, we multiply that by what BitConnect coin, what it was worth was 363, and we have 15,000. So they did right by me. If you had money invested on the platform here, everything that you had, they made right by you by giving you back your BitConnect coin. So they didn't just pump and dump. All right. Now, obviously, at the time, the BitConnect coin was worth a lot less, and right now it's worth a crap ton less. But we all believe that it should come back. We don't know how long it's going to take, if it's ever going to get back to that 363 amount. But BitConnect is saying that they're going to do everything that they can to do right by recent investors and buy it back at that full amount. If they do, awesome. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of people taking advantage of that. Great. Now, one other quick thing is, if you log in and you never bought BitConnect coin, you're over here in Bitcoin wallet, great. Go to this wallet page, and what you want to do is go to your Bitcoin wallet, and then you want to go to send Bitcoin. You want to click all. Obviously, you don't have any, but there would be a number that would be entered in there. And then you want to get your Bitcoin wallet address right here. So if you're on Coinbase, you go to Coinbase and you say receive. Go to accounts and receive. You copy that long string address. You paste it in here. You click on all for all your Bitcoin. Your password should automatically be in there. And then you click on withdraw from BTC wallet. And boom, everything that you had in Bitcoin will be sent back to your Bitcoin wallet. Okay? Again, it has to be Bitcoin, not BitConnect coin. These are two different currencies. Okay? So, now, let's go. If you have the BitConnect in your wallet, what you want to do is hold. You can just keep it here and wait for this amount to go back up at a point where you are comfortable buying or selling it back and getting Bitcoin, and then doing exactly what I just said, sending your Bitcoin out. I hope that's not too confusing. Now, if I were to do this, if I were to sell, oops, gosh, can't type today. If I were to sell off my existing Bitcoin that I have in my wallet, multiply the BitConnect coin, would I have that many BitConnect coins, take that and multiply it by the current value of $30.13, my amount is going to make us both cry. I get $1,251.16.5 back in Bitcoin. Okay, that's the relative value, which is why I'm not selling right now. Okay, I'm going to hold. Something else you may want to consider doing is, if you want to increase your stake with BitConnect, you can do what's called staking. Okay, I don't have time to get into that. I'm not doing this myself on BitConnect, but you could stake your coin here, and you could get paid interest to let it stay on the staking platform. So they would be paying, I believe they still paid interest on BitConnect coin. Okay, you would download the BitConnect wallet. All right. Anyway, so at the time when it goes back up, you're going to want to come to the exchange. And right now, if you were to sell your BitConnect coin, you'd be paying, let's see, the last bid right now is 0.0026. Okay, so if I take this, multiply that, that's how much Bitcoin I'll be getting. So if I take that value, it's probably going to equal exactly what I just typed out here. If I say 0.10769659, okay, multiply this amount by how much Bitcoin is worth right now, and I'm showing that is about 11,250. It'll be about 1211. So pretty close to what it was. All right. By the way, one of the great benefits of having fun with cryptocurrency is it really sharpens your math skills, division, subtraction, everything. Division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. It really sharpens those skills. So that's a great thing. Another great thing to get your kids involved in this. Help them improve their math. Anyway, so I'm rambling on here. I hope that you're getting value out of this, and I hope I'm not putting you to sleep. But basically, this is what we're going to be doing here. What to do at this point is one word: is just hold on to your coins. Don't sell them off. Don't do that. As long as this platform is still up, your coins should be safe here. Continue to log in every day if you can, and read the notifications that are on there. It'll send you to another page here. Read what's going on. Stay involved. This is your money as well. So be informed. It's a good thing. Now, having said all that, patience is a virtue and everything. Okay, listen. I'm going to share something with you here for whatever it's worth. If you're done with this kind of high interest yielding platforms, if you just are done with this and you don't have any more patience for it, I don't blame you. Wait, get your funds, be out, and don't play with it anymore. Just be cool about it. However, if you are still interested in investing and getting a good return on your money, and you would like to deal with a more stable and better platform that does a similar thing than this, and again, haters are going to hate, I'm sure, but this is another platform. It's called DevoreCoin, and I've been using this and getting great interest. I started on the 30th of December. The value of the DAV coin, it operates in pretty much the same way. I've been talking about this for a little while. The interest has been wonderful. I have a couple $1,000 lends, and the interest has been paid off well every day. And it's a great platform. It's working really well, and it's just been keeping a lot of people happy. I don't know how long this platform is going to last, but it's definitely paying incredible interest rates here the last few days. Interest rates today is 1.13, and you also have the bonus kickers. You can click on the start lending and get these terms. Okay, so if this is at all of interest to you, you can sign up at this link right here, davor.io/account/registration $R equals 3 EE449. Okay, so that's up to you if you want to. If I'll be happy to support you. If you don't want to mess with this whatsoever, I don't blame you. It's totally fine. This is what I'm doing. Feel free to do it or not do it. You make your own choices, and yeah, so it's all good. An easier link to get there is automaticdailyincome.com/better. Okay, so if you want to check that out, automaticdailyincome.com/better. All right. So that is pretty much all I have for you for today. I sincerely hope that you got value out of this video and this information, this status update, as we continue to deal with what's going on out there. Hang in there, be strong, hold on to your coins, make intelligent decisions, do your own research. Don't be a hater. Don't be a hater. No one likes haters. Okay? And I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you've spent all this time with me, I greatly appreciate it. I hope that you're still awake, and I will be talking to you on the next video. Until then, take care. Have a great day. This is Cryptony out.